Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sreeta Ghosh, and in today's video I'm going to show you 10 products that look fancy but are very useful. But before we start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to join the Glam Fam. You can also connect with me on my social handles via the all-in-one link mentioned right below in the description box. So if you're interested in this video, then please continue watching. First up, I have this mini rechargeable fan. It is used for drying skincare and makeup, and it operates on 3 battery modes. Works like this. You can use this for drying your skincare, you can use this for drying your makeup in between the steps. Comes with a stand, you can like put this on a stand like this, and it is type B rechargeable cable. It's a very useful product, like, because between makeup and skincare you need to dry your steps before you move on to the next one. So with this you can easily dry it out. Up next I have this glass zipper. Comes with a straw which is also made of glass, and it is airtight, like you can fill the water, and it comes with this seal and it's airtight, like, and it's very cute. You would want to drink more water from this one. Like, plastic shouldn't be used, so the glass one. Next up I have this shampoo scrubber. Like whenever you're applying shampoo on your hair, you can do it like this. Comes with silicone bristles, like it's bendable. मतलब आप नाखून से अपना स्कैल्प स्क्रैच नहीं कर सकते हो, वो ख़राब है आपके स्कैल्प के लिए, तो इसको आप ऐसे पकड़ोगे और ऐसे आप दे सकते हो. You can scrub your shampoo, you can massage your hair oil with this. So it's a very useful product. Up next we have this foot callus remover. This is again a rechargeable one. You have to long press it and it moves on like this. Again long press and it stops. It's very good for your pedicure at home because it's not possible to go for pedicures every now and then to the salon. So you can use this on your foot for you removing your hard calluses. Up next we have this cute silicone cleansing tool. It is battery operated and you can press it like this and it vibrates. You can feel the vibration here. Once you apply your cleanser, you can go it around your face with this in this motions and it will cleanse everything out. It's very relaxing. Next up I have this eye and lip dummy. It is very useful for makeup artists and also beginners who wants to learn makeup. आप इसमें कोई भी ब्रश, आई शेडो ब्रश यूज़ कर सकते हो. आप आई शेडो लोगे ब्रश में और ऐसे आप यूज़ कर सकते हो उसको. ये पूरा आपके स्किन के जैसा बिहेव करेगा. इसके ऊपर आप बेस लगा सकते हो, आप आईब्रोज कर सकते हो, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो, आईलाइनर लगा सकते हो. एंड वंस यू पाउडर इट डाउन, it behaves just like human skin, like you can apply it like this. Very useful for beginners and ones who wants to practice. लिप के लिए भी सेम, लिप आप ड्रॉ करना प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो और शेड्स, मतलब लिप शेड्स अगर आपको देखना है कि कैसा लगेगा अप्लाई होने के बाद, ऑम्ब्रे लिप्स और वॉट एवर लिप लाइनर विल गो विथ विच लिपस्टिक, तो उसके लिए आप इसमें करके देख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस फेशियल मसाजर. दिस इज़ अ बैटरी ऑपरेटेड वन. यू कैन यूज़ पेंसिल बैटरी विद दिस. आप ऐसे ऑन करोगे इसको, ये वाइब्रेट करेगा और व्हेनेवर यू अप्लाई फेस ऑयल और एनी क्रीम, will go directly under your eyes, all over your face like this, and then you again turn it off. Okay, इसके साथ दो और attachments आते हैं, this one and this one, for your under eyes, for the bigger parts of your face. You can open it like this, it's easily detachable, and then you apply the next head like this. Super easy to use. Next we have these cute silicone scrapers to scrape out remaining product from any foundation bottle or concealer bottle. This can be extended like this. Again you can collapse it like this. इसको आप मान लो ये मैक का फाउंडेशन है, इसका पंप नहीं है, तो अगर ये ख़त्म हो जाता है नीच तक, तो आप इसको ऐसे अंदर डाल सकते हो. Like you push it in, it goes inside, and then you can scrape the entire bottle, and then it comes out like this. The product is here. So this is very useful for using the last bit of the product in the bottle. Next up I have this electric lighter. You turn this on like this, there is a button, you push it upwards, and whenever you press this power button, can you see the electric current? I don't know whether it's visible on the camera or not. Can you see the current passing through? I'll show you by lighting a candle, like, you see that, and it's rechargeable type C cable, it's rechargeable, very handy product, because whenever you light scented candles na, when the candles come down the jar, you can't put a matchstick inside it, your fingers will burn. So for that purpose you can go down like this, and it's also bendable, like in whichever direction you want it to go, it's bendable. The last product we have here is this paper cutter. Again a very good product, gets removed like this. You also have a scale attached to it from the behind. You can measure the, straightness of the paper, whether it's straight or not. I am showing you how to use it. Suppose you have this paper and now you remove this. You put this paper here like that, and then you close it, and there's this thing here, this clip like thing here. You just drag it like that, and here you have your cut paper. The cuts are very straight, like very straight. You can measure it from the scale here. So I find this product very useful. So that's a wrap for today. Do let me know which product did you guys find the most interesting. I hope you guys liked today's video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Catch you all in my next video. Till then, keep glamming up. Bye bye.